Almost at 6. After one-vote margins in the House and Senate, the Trump budget bill is back in the House, where Republicans are short of a couple votes needed to pass it.
Critics argue cuts in the bill will harm vulnerable populations, increase food insecurity, and weaken the social safety net. CBS 13's Brad Rogers spoke to some of those critics at local food pantries.
We need our country to be able to support those in need and help out with groceries.
Karen Lander is on disability, but still works as much as she can. She says the First Baptist Food Pantry in Portland is a godsend, unlike the Republican budget bill.
President Trump hoping that he would do the right in helping his country with things like this, and it just feels like it's not going in the right direction.
It's heartbreaking. And to me, what I say to everybody, this is not America.
Sue Pratt runs the First Baptist Food Pantry. She says they're already seeing longer lines here and are increasing their pickups to make sure they have enough food to meet the need.
We're going to continue to work ahead and make sure that we have enough food for them to be here.
It was also a busy day at the Biddeford Food Pantry, where Amanda Henderson worries about the impact the cuts will have on working people like her.
This place helps me give my family the one meal a day that we really count on. Everybody needs food to survive.
The Biddeford Food Pantry spends $6,000 a week on food. Its director says demand is already up 13% from last year and says if the Republican budget goes through, it will be devastating.
It would impact us dramatically. A lot of them, this is their only source of food, especially people living in tents.
The Good Shepherd Food Bank relies heavily on federal and state funding. They worry about people going hungry if this bill becomes law.
When those critical safety nets of SNAP and Medicaid are compromised, the work of the Emergency Food Network increases to the point that's really unsustainable.
Wayside Food Programs feeds people in need and helps fill local food pantries. They fear these federal cuts will drive more Mainers to food pantry lines.
There's only so much food, and when things like SNAP, for instance, get cut, the need goes up.
They should definitely take care of the ordinary, regular people.
Brad Rogers, CBS 13 News.